That is a beautiful barbet. Here you go. Tanya? Golden-throated barbet right there.
It's pretty, isn't it?
I'm recording now, my battery's running out. Oh yeah, I got him. Oh, you can see it. You can see it calling. Watch what it calls. Hey, we're sitting here at one of our favorite birding spots. Smile. I mean, look at the camera. Smile. Ashy Drango. Sitting around here by the bungalows and by the Korean village, and it's relaxing after a day of bird watching, and people are sitting around eating and enjoying the day and having a snack. It's about 4:45 in the afternoon, and we're sitting here and having a beer. Just relaxing. Kids are so cute. We're heading out on our final day of bird watching here at our bungalows, and we're going to get in the van and go see some more birds, and then head back. Black crested bulbul eating out the flowers. Looks good. Oh man, swim up.
Common rosefinch.
Oh, the common rosetinch. Oh, okay. Come on up, come on up, come on up the branch. Come on, go up a little higher. No, you're going lower. I'll show you Kingfisher. It's a bronze Drango. Spectacled barwing. Oh, I see the white around his eyes, yeah.
Yeah, the eyes are so vivid.
Oh, beautiful.
Oh,
Spectacled barwing. Okay, I got a really good video now. Good. I don't have many more. There he is.
That is so neat to see him doing it so close.
There he is.
Oh, there he is. Oh, he's right above the big leaf there.
Oh, you're going to love this video, man. Look. Boon Tom, look.
Oh.
Sorry, Mike.
One light. Center one light. Dark one.
เล็กๆไกล
มาปุ๊บชอบพูดอยู่ที่เหลือเป็นเบบี้นี่เป็นพาร์ทเนอร์เป็นแฟนเป็นเบบี้
ๆพันเนี่ยแล้วก็มี two babies
ทั้งหมดมี4 ตัว
ครับ
เอามาชอบรถ Then I think you're here he has a partner and 2 babies. See far, see them down.
อันนี้ก็สวย
ใช่ไหม
Wow. Look in here. Look in the camera.
Living, beautiful.
Pretty good, huh?
Yes.
เดินทางโน้น
Indian roller. Wow. Looking right at us. It's cool. Sorry, that's a blue-eared kingfisher. Wow. It's a new bird for me.
นกจับปลา
That's great.
หูสีฟ้า He's pretty cool.
Hey, looking at us now. Blue-eared kingfisher. Great. It's grebe, man. Little? Little grebe.
Yeah, just little.
Yes.
That looks good. We've seen the dark shadows. We've seen the white part. And, oh, and you look good there.
You saw another kingfisher, but we didn't see him.
Oh, down he goes. Up he comes. Down he goes. Up he comes. Chestnut-headed bee-eater. Beautiful. Too bad I'm looking into the sun. But I can lighten it up a little bit on the computer.
Saw him before?
Beautiful. Chestnut-headed bird-eater.
Bee-eater.
Bee-eater. Bird-eater.
We're all tired.
Chestnut-headed bee-eater.